Are you trying to uninstall an app but Google Play Protect is blocking it? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to turn off Google Play Protect step by step on Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to JK Future Tech. Today's video is about how to disable Google Play Protect on Android phone. This method works on Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, Xiaomi and all Android device. If you want to uninstall apps from outside the Play Store, this video is for you. What is Google Play Protect? Google Play Protect is a security feature by Google that scans apps to protect your phone from harmful apps. But sometimes it blocks trusted apps, especially APK files. So let's see how to turn off Google Play Protect safely. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Step 3. Now tap on Play Protect. Step 4. On the Play Protect screen, tap the setting icon. Step 5. Turn off. Scan apps with Play Protect. Improve harmful app detection optional. Step 6. Tap turn off to confirm. That's it, Google Play Protect is now disabled. Warning builds trust. Please remember, turning off Play Protect can be risky. Only disable it if you trust the app source and turn it back on after installing your app. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to JK Future Tech for more Android tips, AI tool and tech tutorial. And comment below if you face any problem. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.